Hello and welcome, Las Floristas members. This is the Rancho Dental Clinic sensory room. So I wanted to take a little bit of time just to walk around some of the equipment and share with you guys what its use is and what we hope the impact will be on our pediatric patients. Okay, so all of this equipment is actually used across the country in various occupational therapy rooms as an adjunct to therapy, but we've obviously applied it to our dental clinic to hopefully help our pediatric patients and our patients with developmental disabilities be able to tolerate dental treatment in the clinic as opposed to having to take them to the operating room where they would have to be treated under sedation. So this is one of the pieces of equipment that is a part of our sensory room. It's called a wave wall. You can see it has little tiny champagne bubbles, which is supposed to help physiologically help our patients calm down. Obviously a great distractor. It changes colors, makes a slight bubbling sound, and is very calming. So this is the picture produced by our solar projector. This piece of equipment was actually one of the first pieces of equipment used in the studies to define the sensory adaptive dental environment. So it was really breakthrough studies that first introduced this concept of combining sensory calming therapy along with dental treatment. So basically the solar projector has a variety of different discs. This particular one we chose was a fish, kind of an aquarium scene, but there's stars, there's planets, there's all sorts of other options. So we can tailor it to whatever the child or the patient would like. Okay. And this is the bubble tube. It has some mirrors behind it to help actually reflect the bubbles and reflect there's some little fish and jellyfish that are inside the tube, also used as a great calming tool and distractor for our patients. It comes with a remote control unit that the kids can actually press, and it'll say the color, and then it'll change the color in the bubble tube. In addition to the visual images provided by our solar projector, since most of our patients during treatment are looking up at the ceiling, we have a star projector that projects both images of the Milky Way as well as stars to help calm our patients and distract them during treatment. Okay, so one of the biggest challenges that we've had in the past is even getting our patients who might be a little timid, frightened, into the dental chair. So as an adjunct to the sensory room, we've provided a lot of different alternate seating. So one of the advantages of these chairs that we have here at Rancho is that they are completely movable. So we can easily move this chair against the wall and replace it with this soft rocker. As you can see, it rocks. It also has a protective Velcro strap. And we like to use it with a leaded blanket. It has some fishies on it that again, really helps support our patients while we're doing a dental procedure. In addition to the soft rocker, which can be tilted back for treatment. In fact, we can even rotate the light over to help us do treatment while they're in the soft rocker. But in addition to this, we also have this corner chair. It's called a rhomba chair, and it is almost like a beanbag, and it actually has speakers inside the cushions. So if a child is too frightened to try the soft rocker or the typical dental chair out, we can do exams and kind of meet the patient where they are and provide at least some type of examination or simple treatment while they're in the beanbag chair. And to encourage our patients to utilize the alternate seating, we have these special gel tiles on the floor which change colors and alternate as they step on them. So the hope is that it encourages them to have a seat or at least expand on their curiosity and at least come inside the operatory and take a look at all of the other sensory room equipment that we have. All right. And lastly, a heartfelt thank you to all the ladies of Las Floristas for supporting Rancho's dental clinic and supporting our pediatric patients and our patients with developmental disabilities, and for really going on this journey with us, because we are to date the only dental clinic in the United States that has this type of sensory room inside our dental clinic. So thank you, and I'm excited about what the future holds for potentials for research and the significant impact that it will have on our patients and our families' lives.